Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and let me show you how to set up the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you have to choose lock screen and security. And now you can use some kind of the screen lock, for example face recognition or other lock type. In my case, let me choose fingerprint scanner. Here we've got the instruction, tap continue. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to choose some backup method, pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be pattern. So let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue. Let's draw it again just for confirmation, tap confirm. Now you have to scan your fingerprint. So the fingerprint scanner is located right here next to the camera. Let's just start tapping this. Let me just tap a couple of times. As you can see, here we've got the progress bar. So let me save my whole fingerprint. That's it. Fingerprint added, and now you can add another fingerprint, or you can tap done if you are ready. You have to decide about the notifications, so you can select the display options for notification on the lock screen. You can hide some content or just leave it as simple as it was in the default settings. So let me leave the default settings of notifications, tap done. Here we've got other settings connected to our fingerprint, but in my case let me just show you how the fingerprint works. So let's press power key, and now if you'd like to unlock your phone, of course you can use your backup method, so the pattern, or you can do the same thing by using your fingerprint. So let me show you. Let me just find my scanner. It's right here. And that's it. I just unlock my device by using my fingerprint. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.